All right, so because we are law-abiding residents of our municipality, last night after we turned the cameras off, we had one more bird that was in the farthest west tractor who it wouldn't stand up. It was like front heavy, and it would start to stand up and it would just topple over. So because of that, Mandy made the decision that we were hauling that bird back to town. So there was another bird, 2 nights ago that we took back in, so with the thing on its neck, and then there was one in the farthest east tractor that was smaller and it was looking kind of purple, so we thought we'd haul it in. So that had us with 9 birds in the garden. And 9 is way too many. So we made the decision that we were going to only keep 3 birds in the garden, so that way if we do have another hurt bird or another sick bird, we can haul them in there and not be over the limit. So what we've done is we have brought these 6 birds out here to the pasture, and we are going to distribute these 6 birds, 2 each, to the tractors here, and we're going to be compliant again. So we're doing that this morning, and so I guess what we'll do is just let them wander around a little bit.
Let them figure out this pasture thing. Look at everybody else watching.
Everybody's like, who's the new people? New birds. Sorry, they're not people. There we go, birds. Get it!
I don't think they understand the grasshopper. Oh,
Yep,
oh,
there it goes.
there he goes.
Get it.
They're not quite on board with it yet.
Here.
I think they're too full. Nope. Dude, they don't know what to do. Nope. We're getting nothing. These are not grasshopper eating ones. Well, let's put the feed down. And then I bet they'll eat that.
Look out, birds. Look out.
Do you want to integrate 2 in?
Yeah, probably the 2 biggest. So this one.
Grab them. Get them. I'm right behind you. Oh. How much feed was in there?
Plenty.
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we just filled them, huh? Bigfoot.
Oh.
Way stuck.
I got 1 out.
That's okay.
I'll put 3 back in. Oh, damn it, bird. know this one was in there. See this?
Here, bird.
Go ahead. Oh, this could be fun.
I'm a chicken getter. They're like, I don't know what to do here.